Hey there, Peter here. Just another little chimney tip. Today, right now, we're going to look at putting in an expansion gasket on a tile, which is right here. In between the tile and the brick, the brick is relative. This is the structure here. The tile heats up and cools down, and it goes through a thermal expansion and contraction when going through that. So it's important to have a gasket here or a space so that this tile can move up and down and not push on the structure of the chimney. What we've done is slid the tile down after building up, so that we know we've got a clean space all the way down through. And then what we do is we take a little fiberglass insulation and just tuck that right into that top inch, 2 inches or so. It's pretty snug. So that the tile is held in place firmly. This is a non-combustible material, fiberglass insulation. I'm tucking it in there. You can see that I'm just kind of working around. I'm not applying so much pressure that the tile is going to push over. If that does seem to be the case, I'll balance it out like this. Go over to the other side. Again, with all of this stuff, it is dusty, and you don't really want to be. You want to keep your breathing out of the space of this, but this is a critical piece of chimney work to keep the lining material separate from the structure of the chimney by using a compressible but stable expansion gasket. Just another little quick tip. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, so we've got a hard concrete top up here now, which is nice. Nice and durable. We've got the fiberglass insulation sticking up. This is our expansion gasket. What I'm going to do here is just kind of pull off the excess. And then I'm going to take my trowel and just kind of push that down in there. So that it's, or even just take it away. And what I'm going to do is, kind of make a nice clean surface so that I can add a bead of caulk to the whole top of my chimney here. So you can see here where the concrete kind of made a little lip there. I'm just going to knock that down so that creates a nice smooth surface on the top here. Now I apply some silicone here. I get it to really kind of smush right in there. It's important to an issue with my caulking gun. This is what happens when you leave it in the truck and it rains all day. There we go. Nice. So now you can see, I'm going to take my finger, smush that right in. Make a nice bead. And we'll spread that around the other side. So what we've got here is a nice watertight expansion gasket between the tile liner and the chimney masonry system here, which is the structure. So here's the liner. This thing heats up and down. We know that we've got an expansion gasket throughout, all the way down to the bottom of the where the furnace is, or in this case a fireplace. And it can expand and contract on its own, but it's held tight and by the masonry. Thanks for watching.